Hey, this is Mike, and I just wanted to make this quick short video per request. Someone wanted to see what the back office of the Millionaire Mentor Alliance program system was about, and at the end of this video, I'm going to share a 48-hour action takers bonus with you guys. So stay tuned to this video. I'm going to just kind of give you a brief back office tour. This is one of the high ticket programs that I'm involved with. It's not my only primary. We have, uh, our postcard program as well, Integrity Wealth System. But this is our high ticket program. So let me log in and be right back. All right, as you can see here, in our back office here, we have the welcome video, and we have our dashboard over here on the left-hand side. You can use a payment gateway system to receive your payments if you wanted to, your leads. If you have AWeber or GetResponse, you can connect those so you can send out autoresponders if you have those software set up already. Me personally, I really don't use autoresponders. That's just my choice. I send people to a phone number. Um, my group, that's the people that's in my group already. Design management, you could choose the pages for the About Us design, product design pages, opt-in pages, um, receive payment, and you just key in the information here and it does a quick search for you. If I wanted to upgrade my package, I'm actually at the $15,000 level, so I could move up to the Elite and pay the $498, or I could come up to the Empire level and pay $1498. So I'm happy where I'm at right now at the $15,000 level. So that's what the level upgrade package looks like. Support for you. It does have FAQs, getting started guide, marketing, training, finance, and purchase orders. Now, this is kind of like where a lot of people are asking me the question, does that offer support? Yes, they do offer support. So we'll click on the FAQs. You can find whatever program you're interested in, not program, I'm sorry, but whatever your question is, you can find it here, and it would lead you to an answer or another pointed step to take care of your question. Um, Getting started guide. The getting started section is pretty awesome. Videos, the welcome call is an hour long. It's very informative. I encourage you guys you must listen to that call. Download the get starting guide. This is pretty cool here, and it gives you your step-by-step guides on how to enroll people, and streamlining the process, verifying your information, make sure you update your page on your update my information is correct. Set up your voicemail if you want to do phone broadcasting. That's your voicemail system. Create and forward short domains. Advertise if you want to learn how to advertise using their key ingredients. It's pretty much like postcards. That's something you and I will go over if you did align yourself. Three-way calls. It kind of goes over a brief overview on how to do that. Download the Millionaire Mentor Alliance interview script. This is something that's very crucial that you would need to learn. And this is when you talk to people, it gives you a guide to follow, so you can keep the conversation on track. So this is something that's very important to have also, especially if you're new to this type business. And then you have your products here. So again, I'm at the $15,000 level. So if you chose to come in at the silver package, you'll only get the silver package plus the bronze. If you come in at the gold package, you'll get gold, silver, and bronze. If you come in at platinum, you'll receive platinum, gold, silver, bronze. If you come in at the diamond level, you get all, just like I have. And if you click on it, you'll see you get video files, audio files. Let's go back one. Platinum package, again, video files, audio files. All your products are within those links there. So you click it and you see all the stuff there. It's a ton of courses you can go through. Very informative information, especially if you're new to the industry. Um, Back to the dashboard. But yeah, this is pretty much everything. This is the site, your membership site, your order page. If someone says, "Yeah, I'm ready to order," so this is the page you'll go to. You'll simply select what product package you want to, and I'm going to show you here in a second the special bonuses I was going to offer you at the end of the video. But I'll go ahead and show it to you now. It's pretty much the 48-hour action taker bonuses. You can only get the 48 action takers bonuses by calling the Success Coach Hotline. That's my personal phone number right here, okay? 803-537-1571. This is an amazing one-time offer. You do not want to miss this. This is how I'm going to reward you as an action taker. If you join us at the $2,000 level, you're going to get an upgrade at the $3,500 level free, okay? I'm not going to ask you to pay any other money other than the admin fee. So if you wanted to come in at the silver and you only wanted to pay the $2,000 level, well, what you'll do is you would come here, you would select gold, the $3,000 level, okay? So you're only going to pay the admin fee for that level, but when you send your payment in, you're only going to send your payment in for the amount of $2,000. So if you wanted to join at the $3,500 level, I'm going to give you the $7,500 upgrade at no charge, okay? So what you'll do is you would come in to the order form and select the platinum level, the gold level, and we're going to give you the platinum level, okay? So you just have to pay platinum. You just have to pay whatever the admin fee is that we're going to qualify you at, okay? Pull it back up here. Yeah, okay. So if you want to join at the $2,000 level, we're going to upgrade you to the $3,500 at no extra charge, so you'll save $1,500. All you do is pay the admin fee for that level right here, 35. If you want to join at the $3,500 level, we're going to give you that free upgrade bonus up to $7,500 level at no charge. You just pay the admin fee for that level right there, okay? If you decide you want to join at the $7,500 level, you're going to get the free upgrade level to the $15,000 at no extra charge. All you have to do is pay the admin fee at this level right here, okay? Now, do keep in mind that any of these levels right here, you have to pass up a qualifying sale, okay? Your first sale, which is a training sale, okay? All this is not hitting. It's all inclusive. I mean, it goes through the video presentation right here. All this information, what I just said about the you're passing up your qualifying sale, the one-up system, it's all in this presentation here. So if you have any questions, please feel free to read all through the information here and to watch the video. The video explains everything with visuals, so it's hard to not understand what's going on there. So the best value, if you decided you wanted to join at the $15,000 level, you keep your very first sale. Okay, you don't have to pass up any sale. So if you came in at the $15,000 level and your first sale was a $7,500 sale or a $15,000 sale, you keep that first sale. So you back in break even already at the $15,000 level if you got a $15,000 payment. Do people join at these levels? Yes, they do. If you go back and look through my YouTube channel, you'll see what I received two $15,000 checks in mail in one day. I had two business partners. Both of them came in together, and each level, they were leveraging their levels, and they came in at $15,000 each. So that was a $30,000 day for me. So yes, it does happen. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, but I just wanted to give you a tour of the back office. Here's an opt-in page. If you want to promote your opt-in page, you can promote this. People will come to your website, key in the information, get instant access, and then it takes them back to the main page, and then you have a new lead. Okay. They have a results tab, some earlier success stories from people when they first launched. About us page, and again, the products that they offer. You can click on each product and it tells you what's in these product levels. So they do have a $50,000 level. Whew, it's kind of crazy. Diamond package, they do have the, all the information that's involved as products with these. Oh, the branding. That is a very good video course to watch. I like that. And the 7 habits of highly successful internet marketers. Those are really good. Actually, all these courses here at this level is really good. So, let's see. Anything else I need to cover? Yeah, feel free just to reach out to me if you have any questions. Again, my number is right here on this PDF here, 803-537-1571. And I like to, get you plugged in. This right here is actually our most popular level here. And I've actually got some people, before I made this video, some people contacted me through some of my marketing that I was doing. And so I've already talked to them about this. We'll find out here in the next couple of days if they take action on that. And I do offer, like, I'll help you get some paid advertising kind of set up for you. So sometimes people, they'll send me, $200 or $300 extra on top of their $3,500, or they'll send me, $500 to get them in a couple months worth of magazine ads or whatever. So I do offer that as well, and it's not like you're just paying me to do it. You're actually paying me, and I'm actually creating the ad, and you and I will work with the ad to make sure you verify it. Because anytime I do come up with an ad, I kind of make sure you're cool with it before we publish it. And because if I make money off of this as well. Whenever you do sign up a person, I do make money off that sale as well. It's called the coaching, or the qualifying sale. That's part of the aspect of the business model. So whenever you're starting to enroll people, they're going to have to give you their first sale as well. Okay. So it's in my best interest to teach you this so you can turn around and teach others as well. So it's a very simple, easy model. We don't bug anybody. We just let them go through the process. If they like what they see, they join. If they don't like what they see, oh well. We're not here to beg people to join us. It is what it is. Again, that's why I wanted to do this brief overview tonight, to show you this video process of the back office. It's nothing fancy. It's nothing that's going to get people lost or anything. So encourage you, if you're interested, give us a call. I'd love to have you on board. I run all my leads through a platform here. It's called 800 Link, and you can see here, I'll log in just to kind of show you the kind of stuff that I have actually coming through here. Do a call report. Let's see here. Oops. Okay, haven't done it in a while. I normally get all this stuff sent to my telephone, emails and text messages, but yeah, it's just, and I call back the people. These are all the people that call my marketing phone number. So if you want to be successful, you got to keep your marketing out there, and just have people constantly calling your phone. If you can get people constantly calling your phone, leaving a message, wanting more information, ready to get started, all these envelopes right here, these are the people that are ready to get started right here in this short time frame here. So, and the people, even if they don't leave a message, we always call them back also, because it may be people that called and they didn't have time to listen to the whole message because of something that might have been going on in their life or something at the moment. They had a child was crying, or the wife was, hey, time to eat dinner, or something might have been going on in their life. So whatever that may be, we always call those people back. They actually listen to our calls at least at a certain point of like 5 minutes or more. We always call those people back. So this is pretty much my my marketing model. I don't send people to a website. I actually, let them hear an overview call. And if they like what they hear on the overview call, they call me and they let us know that they're interested in joining. And so when they do, you get to share, we share the same phone number for everybody. You just market it and they leave their referral code, and that's pretty much it. We get them signed up. So, all right, with that being said, don't forget about the 48-hour Action Takers bonuses. I'm giving up these levels at no additional fees. So if you want to do business and align yourself with someone that's actually making money with this program, you saw all the leads that we're getting that comes through our 800 link account. So we're getting leads daily. And it's about sending people to your marketing and let them convert. Any questions, just feel free to give me a call at this telephone number right here, 803-537-1571. Please respect my time after 11 p.m. If you want to, I am up sometimes late at night, but you can always just send me a text message, a courtesy message before calling. But love to hear from you. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.